What's up everyone, welcome back, and I'm going to be installing the M logo light on my F3335i, and I believe it's the same process for any other BMW series. So what you're going to do is take a nylon spudger and pop out the light from the right side, since there's only a clip on the right side, as you can see right here. And you can pretty much pull out the plug. So the new lights come with a separate wire since it doesn't use the same plug as BMW. And all you have to do is take those wires and plug them in the same spot where you see those two wires in the OEM plug. It has two empty spots too, make sure you don't plug them in those because it will not work. And it doesn't matter what way you put those new wires in, even if you get it flipped, it will still work. And I'm going to use some electrical tape right here to secure it so it doesn't come out in the future. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the light. Alright, so tuck the wire in and put the light back at the same spot. And this light is actually a bit bigger than the OEM one, so you might have to force it in. And just take your time, don't break it. And at the same time, I would actually adjust the light too. And I kind of suggest doing the part at nighttime so you can see the light better. And I'll show you in the next clip what I'm talking about. Alright, so here you can see the black part which is actually connected to the lens, and you can spin it around, make the M logo line up with your door. And again, I would do this at night time so you can see it better. So pretty much repeat the process on all four doors. Take out the old light, put the new light back in, secure it with electrical tape, line your M logo and snap it back in. Alright, so here's the end result. I've actually lined up all my M logos with all my doors. And this whole project pretty much costed me $20, and it looks super good.
That would be that way with me. But I only have one